In this video here I'm bringing the airdrop of a meme coin that is in fashion there, that is the Pep, and here is being made here a Pep Wallet airdrop that they are launching their first meme coin wallet, and this airdrop we can be earning some tokens for free. I'll be translating here the page here, the first meme wallet in the world, so it's in this airdrop that the wallet will be made, and also through the airdrop here that I'll be showing here on the green for us to be doing the tasks on social networks. So stay until the end of the video that I'll be showing all the steps how to participate in this airdrop. Before, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell to be receiving all notifications firsthand, and leave your like to be helping us. So the Pep wallet is launching the first crypto wallet meme coin that in this wallet will be used for you also adding their own token, the Pep wallet. I'll be showing you how you're creating your account soon. I already have a balance that I won in the airdrop that you create in the wallet too. You will be earning a small balance in tokens, and here is the airdrop. Clicking here in airdrop, here in the airdrop you will be earning 10,000 tokes. Pep Wow, which is the token name there, which is equivalent to $20, and you can be earning another 5,000 tokens for each friend indicated. Here you will have the tasks here. Complete the tasks below the wallet Pep and receive the airdrop. Invite friends to earn more. Then you will click here, follow them on social networks, follow on Twitter, retweet the posted fixed, marking 4 friends, join the Telegram, and then install the wallet. This airdrop you will be doing there in the wallet that you will be installing, creating your account that I'll be leaving there in the first comment fixed to be installing through Google Play. So I'll be mirroring here my cell phone screen to show me here this first part, and this airdrop is being done here in the wallet itself. Here I am already logged in my account, my wallet is already created here, but for you to be creating your wallet it's very easy. You will install the application, click on sign up, put your email, sign in, repeat the password. We'll also put the invitation code that I'll be leaving in the first comment fixed for you. Participate there, you will need the code and invite me. Then the next step will be generated some secret phrases for you to recover from backup, and you write down these phrases and then just give a next and you will have a wallet created. So note that I have here $21 in tokens here in my wallet that I created now. I already received this value here in my wallet, but I still haven't seen here the balance I have in it, so I can be that update later. That didn't appear for me here yet, because as the application is new, this option has not yet appeared token name for me, as it is here, Pepe Wallet, which is this token that we will be winning. It hasn't appeared for me yet, but here, however, we'll have here the airdrop also in this part here, airdrop, you click here and here we'll have the airdrop for us participating as they are talking here. Follow on Twitter, and here in the application in the wallet you will put your username and click on check. Then on Telegram the same thing, you come here. I'm leaving all the social networks there too, and you put your username and then here invite friends, copy your link and refer them so you can invite more friends there and earn more tokens with that. So here will be my invitation link too, and along with my code, the invitation may be able to put there when you go make the registration. Then you just have to wait here. They are sending it to your wallet. So the first airdrop is this one that we will be doing in the application to be able to win these tokens. Remembering that these $21 here you will be earning on time when you install your wallet. I don't know how long they are giving this bonus there, but there will also be the airdrop here in the application you doing this step. After that there is another airdrop there that we can be participating, which is here through here from Gleam. Here in the case there are 21 days you can participate in this airdrop yet. Here you can be earning $20 in each day and also plus 5,000 tokens there for each friend invited. So there will be here some tasks too on social networks. It's Twitter, then the other Twitter retweet, then retweet again, follow on Telegram, then follow on the other Telegram. Here is the option of you downloading the application. So you can put your wallet, and here you will put your wallet after Ethereum. In the own application you will get your wallet. So here in the application itself here you will come here, you click here in Ethereum, you come here and receive. Copy here the wallet and this wallet that you will be putting here to be participating in the airdrop. Here in this option of submit to all you will put here the Ethereum wallet, so you can participate in this airdrop. So the tasks are these, so you can participate in this airdrop too, and who knows, you may also be earning $20 here in tokens and also plus 5,000 tokens there for each friend invited. So enjoy it there so you can participate in this airdrop, and also has an airdrop of the application if you also earn $21 there. Leave it in the comment. We'll know how many people won because I don't know how long this promotion of the wallet will be available for us to be earning these tokens too, so all the links will be in the first comment fixed. If you liked the video there, leave your like, subscribe to the channel and thanks.